Good morning, children. In our previous class, just we have discussed about what is line segment, and parallel lines, intersecting lines, and all those things. Okay. Now, let me today in this period we are going to discuss some other things which are not lines. For example, this one, point A, point B. Point A, point B. This is a straight. Okay. For example, the same distance, another boy traveled like this. Okay. And another one traveled like this. So here, what we got? First shape is like this. Second one is like this. And third one is like this. Okay? Examples. Among all these three, this is straight. These are all not straights. So, a shape which is not straight, are called. Tell me, children. How will you call these? This one you can call as a straight line, but here these are nothing but curve. What is this? Curve. So today the first concept is curve. What it is? Curve. Okay. A curve is nothing but a shape which is not a straight. Okay. Or else line which is not a straight, okay, is called curve. Okay, children. Now examples. These are the curves. Okay. And one more thing. This is also a curve. Clear, children? These are all curves. These are not straight. Okay. So, if you observe this, there is a difference between all these three curves. See, this curve is not combined. Okay, some gap should be there. This type of curves are nothing but open curves. Clear? Is it clear? And there is no gap. Here, this curve is where it started and it came again, traveled and again joined here only. Okay? This type of curves are called as closed curve. Okay? And one thing, and also these two are called simple curves also. Simple curves means a curve which does not intersect itself. For example, if you see like this is a curve now. Again it intersects it. There. This type of curves are not called as simple curves. Only the curve which does not intersect itself. Such curves are called as simple curves. The simple curve which has open place, that is open curve, and which is closed, that is closed curve, and these are not simple curves. This type of curves which has intersects itself are called not a simple curves. Clear, children? Okay. Now I'll give you definitions. First write the curve definition. Okay? Write it all of you. Now, so curve over na. Next thing is simple curve. The curve which is do not cross itself is called simple curve. Okay? Example. These are simple curves. These are simple curves. Now, closed curve. Closed curve. The curve which is closed is called closed curve. Example, there is no gap now here. This type of curves are called closed curve. Now, open curve. The curve which is open is called open curve. For example, this is curve only, but it's not closed. So this is called open curve. Okay. Yeah, look this. This is also open curve. Okay, Nana? Now, next one is not a simple. The curve which is crossing itself is called not a simple curve. Okay, example, look here, better you can write this. See, number 8. This is a curve which is crossing itself. So such type of curves are called not simple curves. This is simple curve. Okay, Nana? Okay? You can write it. Later on we can go for another thing. Write it. Children, next we are going to discuss about after curve. Next, what are the next shapes? What is the next shape? Line point over, line segment over, curve over. Next, closed figure. Some objects are combined with line segments. It's nothing but you have seen that already, you know the triangle name and some quadrilaterals all. Okay. So first one is next. In that first one is polygon. What it is? Polygon. Polygon. Okay. How can you define polygon? A simple closed figure which consisting a line segments a simple closed figure which consisting a line segments is called a polygon. Okay, children? Okay? Example. This is a polygon. This is a polygon. And this is also a polygon. Okay, means see all these closed figures only, and all the closed figures are combined with the all these closed figures are combined with the line segments only. Are combined with the line segments only. Clear? So a simple closed figure which consisting a line segment is called a polygon. Clear? And these polygons should have only line segments only. Okay. Now, in this first one is vertex. What is vertex? What is vertex? Okay. And what are these line segments? Okay. First one is these line segments or else otherwise you can modify the definition. First one is side. The line segments of a polygon are called sides of a polygon. You can write definition as it is here, sides. Okay, here what are the sides? What are the sides here? AB. This is example 1, diagram 2. Okay, first diagram sides AB, BC, EA. Second diagram sides PQ, QR, RS and SP. Clear, children? See the first diagram, this is line segment, this is line segment, this is line segment. Therefore, 3 sides. The second diagram, 4 line segments, respectively 4 sides. Clear? After side, next thing is vertex. What is vertex? A vertex means a polygon in which where 2 lines will meet at a point. This is called vertex. Like how many vertices? The plural of vertex is vertices. Okay? So, 2 sides, the intersecting point of 2 sides of a polygon is called vertex. So, the intersecting point of 2 sides of a polygon is called vertex. Okay? Now, example, first diagram, A comma B comma C are vertices, and the second diagram, P comma Q comma R comma S are vertices. Okay, children? Clear? Clear? Now write this. First thing is sides, second thing is vertices. Okay? Now, the next important concept of polygon is diagonal. The next important point of concept, the important point of polygon is diagonal. Okay? Now, I'll give you 1 minute time, children. Write it, all of you. Okay, children, next thing is next concept is diagonal. Okay. What it is? Next one is diagonal. Diagonal. What is diagonal? For example, if any quadrilateral, any polygon, a line segment which joins opposite vertices of a polygon. Children, clear me. Just listen me, all of you. A line segment which joins opposite vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. A line segment which joins a opposite vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. Okay? A line segment which joins an opposite vertices of polygon is called diagonal. Example. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now here the vertices which are side by side, which are called adjacents. See, this and this are adjacent, this and this are adjacent, these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent. But vertex A, vertex C are opposite. Vertex B and vertex D are opposite. What are the adjacent vertices of A means? Adjacent means D and B. Opposite means C. The definition itself is given as a line segment which joins opposite vertices only, not adjacent. So opposite vertices means like this. This is one diagonal. This is one diagonal. Like this. Can you draw other than these two? Will you draw other than these two? For example, if I join this and this, but it will never becomes diagonal. So these are two not opposite, opposite. So this is quadrilateral. Okay. How many here diagonals are? AC and BD. How many diagonals? Two diagonals. How many diagonals? Two diagonals. Nana, I will give you one important formula. If n-sided polygon will have, n-sided polygon will have n into n minus 3 by 2 number of diagonals. Clear, children? This you can find. This is the formula for finding number of diagonals. This is the formula for finding number of diagonals. See, this is a quadrilateral. Example, let me give you an example. This is 4 sides now. If n is equal to 4, then diagonals is equal to 4 into n into n minus 3 by 2. That implies 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. That implies 4 into, that implies how many diagonals? 1, 2, 3, 4 sided polygon will have only 2 diagonals. Now, how many? Shall I ask a question for one intellectual student? This is also a polygon, triangle. Triangle means how many sides? 3 sides. Afterwards, I will give you the definition of triangle and everything. 3 sides, then will you draw diagonal for triangle? But if you apply formula 3 into 3 minus 3 by 2, that implies 3 into 3 minus 3, 0 by 2, 0 by 2. So, number of diagonals how many? No diagonals, because there is no opposite vertex now. Triangle, therefore, triangle will not have a diagonal. Clear, children? Clear? So diagonal, the definition of diagonal is a line segment which joins an opposite vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. The formula for finding diagonal is n into n minus 3 by 2. Clear? Write it.